Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Real Madrid home shirt from the 1996-1997 season, and obviously we do have the Raul Nameset on this one. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a dhgate link. I doubt it would be for this shirt, but I'll try and leave one for a Real Madrid specific shirt. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have our usual health warnings. So if you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, this is from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'm always worried when I get these sort of shirts out, especially because they are so crisp and white. The slightest fingerprint on there, and yeah, they're going to be ruined. But fingers crossed, my hands are nice and clean, and we won't see any concerns with this shirt. So yeah, let's get this shirt out of the bag then, and let's have a look at the Real Madrid home shirt. Okay, here we are at the front of the shirt, and we do have a proper collar. I do like a proper collar, although it's not as far down as I normally like them. It is still nice to see a collar there, although I've just noticed this. It's obviously slightly larger on that side than it is this side, but yeah, dog footprint and dog footprints on the sleeve as well. And then you've got the La Liga emblem, and all of that is actually in the material, and the dog footprint there. And also the manufacturer, Kelme. Actually, if you notice, you can see, if I just scoot down for a second, the Real Madrid crest is all in the shirt. That's nice. Sponsor, again, that's in the material, and then the Real Madrid badge is embroidered on this sleeve. We just have the dog footprints. That is quite amusing. If anybody knows what that actually is it this? Is that a dog food brand? Because I really don't know. But yeah, if anybody can tell me what this actually means, then please do let me know in the description of this video, or in the comments, sorry. Put my hand through it, you can just about see it through, but the material itself, it's like a silky feel to it. Oh, there's a slight mark down there, not from my fingers, I should add. But yeah, looking very nice. I do love a good retro shirt, and this is definitely one of them. Let's flip it around and we'll have a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on the reverse side now. And the back of the collar does have a Real Madrid embroidered into it. And then we did have the name set of Raul number 7. And this is vinyl, so it's been heat pressed on. But at the bottom you do have your paw print again. I do like that. And the Real Madrid crest is evident through the whole of the material. There are a lot of creases, I should point out, from where the shirt's been in the bag. As you can see, them all down here. But that is just from the bag. Once the shirt has been worn or washed, those will soon disappear. Oh, look. Real Madrid. And there's that paw print again. Madrid. Is it Kelme? Whatever, I'm not sure. But the paw print's in there. I didn't notice that. But there we have it. We'll flip it around, and then we'll take a look at the inside of the shirt as well. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt. A bit white, it's quite see-through, and so obviously you can see all the printing from the other side really nicely. Loose cotton there. Purses will soon sort that out. There's loose cotton there as well. Real Madrid badge, I mentioned earlier, been embroidered in, and there's a lot of messy stitching on the back there. It's one of them ones that if you're going to be wearing this, you'd want to wear some underneath it, because otherwise that's going to rub. Some marks there as well, actually, look. Shirt sponsor. Just looking at the hemline at the bottom. Looks nice and tidy. And the Liga patch. Because it's all in the material, it's actually so much better. I wish more shirts were like this now, where everything's in the material, because It just makes it so much easier for the maintenance of the shirts. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the final part of the inside of the shirt now. So starting at the top, collar line looks absolutely fine. We have a Real Madrid XL tag, and then the Sports Performance tag. For those of you who've been around my channel for a while, you'll probably remember Mr. PM's footy shirts. He always had a thing about Sports Performance tags, never liking them. But unfortunately I did find out that he has passed away. So yeah, very sad. Very sad. But I'll never be able to look at these tags again without thinking of him. Raul been heat pressed on the number 7. That's gone on absolutely lovely. No creases there at all. But the shirt itself is full of creases just from the bag, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, these have gone on lovely. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Recommendation when washing these shirts, hand wash them only. But make sure when you put them in the wash that you do flip them inside out. When you come to dry it, do not put it in your tumble dryer. Just let it hang dry. The shirts then will last a really, really, really good amount of time. And there we have our Real Madrid home shirt from the 1996-1997 season from kitmm.com. And just as I've flipped it around this way, I have noticed down here there's some marks just there, and there's another loose cut on there. I don't know how I missed that for a start. But yeah, seller kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do this sort of content on a weekly basis. I'll also leave a dhgate link in the description of this video for a Real Madrid shirt from the usual seller that I use. I doubt I'll be able to get this one, being the retro one. If I can, I will, but I very much doubt it. And yeah, if anybody knows what these paw prints actually mean, is that a brand of dog or cat food? I really don't know. On a whole, really happy with the shirt. It's just a shame about those marks there. But there you go. Hope you've enjoyed this Real Madrid 1996 to 1997 home shirt with Raul number 7 on the back. Like I said, hit the subscribe button and like if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.